It's like my new favorite part of the day, doing little unboxings. So this is a special package. We've been waiting for this watch for probably 2.5, 3 weeks. All sold out in the US. Finally, the shipment came in from Paris and I got the call that it was coming. So we were really excited. I'm not telling you the brand yet. You're just gonna have to wait and see. Maybe the Paris part gave it away. I'm not sure. Ay, ay, ay. One of these days, I hope I just don't cut myself on camera. That would be bad. Alrighty, we're coming in. Yee. Let's see what we got here. Well, so this might be our first little giveaway because this is going to show you the brand. So it is a Bell & Ross, which is one of our hottest brands right now. They're beautiful, they're edgy, they're really well priced. And they're really just functional timepieces for men and for women. They have some really cool ladies collections. But this one is, I'll show you, their boxes are beautiful. Their packaging is top notch. Let me get rid of that. Let's see what we got. So you have the warranty card. And so here we see this is the BRV 92. And this one is, ta-da! It's the 3-hand khaki dial, beautiful timepiece. Let's take it out of the box and show you. And this, so one of the cool things that makes this just so cool is that the strap is actually elastic. I think there was a collaboration with Erica straps on this, but the strap itself has a little stretch. You can adjust it from here. There's an exhibition case back. Let me see if I can pull this out to show you. Exhibition case back. And here's your 3-hand timepiece. I mean, it's beautiful. It's edgy and just so functional. The retail price on this, I think, is $29.90. So just a perfect timepiece, perfect price point just for that extra little added gift or for yourself or for someone else. But that's our unboxing for the day. Let us know if you have any questions.